Hey guys, if you want to learn about digital painting, watch till the end. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Arbitrary Explorer. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you have any questions regarding my video or my upcoming videos, please write it in the comment box. So in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about how to start digital painting. As you all know, nowadays, from designing supercars to designing logo, everywhere we need graphic designers. So I will be discussing what number one do you need for graphic designing, number two what are the classification of software based on imaging, so what is the benefit of knowing initial graphic designing, and what to do if you don't want to do graphic designing and you need design. So digital art is right in your pocket. Yes, you can start digital painting with your phone only. There are many softwares which are freely available for both Android and iOS users. So for Android users, apps such as Infinite Painter, Artrage, Ibis PaintX, Sketchbook, Adobe Illustrator, Draw, and many more. So for iOS apps such as Sketchbook, Procreate, Affinity Designers, and many more. And if you want to do it with your laptop or PC, then what are the specs do you need? So you can do simple drawing on any laptop. You don't have to freak out if you don't have a high range laptop. But if you are serious regarding this and you want to do seriously, then you may need some minimum requirement such as at least 8 GB RAM with 256 GB hard drive, 2 GHz or faster processor, best if you have graphic cards, and then you're ready to go. uh, but if you are planning for live streaming of your artwork with some serious art, then you should go for 32 GB of RAM, because RAM is good. You need RAM, lots of RAM, and faster processor with a hard drive, because whenever you are doing recording and simultaneously painting, you will gather a large file. So for vector art, you can do it your mouse, and for better result you can use pen tablet. So what are the classification of digital painting softwares? So there are mainly two types of softwares in digital art. One is one class is a raster and another is a vector. Raster software deals with pixel painting and has result in pixelate image. So images which we used to see in our day-to-day life, in our phone, in our PC, those were raster image. And vector image are mainly software based imaging, such which deals with mathematical calculations and position points and lines. So the image made from vector are the high quality with a low size. Both kind of software can do both vector and raster image, but softwares are designed according to their needs. So you can choose uh, such as Adobe Illustrator for illustrating with vector art, and you can choose Photoshop for digital painting with raster imaging. So with this, I want to say that there are also many freely available softwares which you can try as a beginner. So such as Inkscape, GIMP, Mediavan of Paint, and also there is a Krita, which is very nice software. You can also animate using Krita. And there are also paid software such as Clip Studio Paint, Procreate, Adobe Photoshop, and all Adobe series of softwares, InDesign, Illustrator, and many more. So with this, I would like to end my video. Keep exploring and drawing. Till then, Arbitrary Explorer signing off.